Right then, I hope you're all doing well. What we're going to do this week is cover something a little bit different. We're going to cover a new cookbook, Leon Happy Curries. It's my wife's favourite cuisine. There's some absolutely fantastic recipes in there, and there's lots of vegetarian, vegan recipes. What we're actually going to do is we're going to cover a chicken meatball coconut curry, but we're going to substitute the chicken. So this is kind of like what it should look like. So here we've got a nice selection of vegetables. We've got asparagus, spring onions, we've got the baby corn, we've got Pak Choi, we've got the beans, and then we've got some green chilies as well. Veggie balls we're going to use are some vegan from Waitrose. Lay these into a bowl here, prep up all the vegetables. It should take no longer than 10-15 minutes while that's in the oven. Coconut milk, vegetarian fish sauce, ground turmeric, ground some cumin seed, ground coriander, lemongrass, kaffir lime leaves, and chili flakes. Really easy, oil-free, vegan dish, plant-based. Alexa, set the timer for 10 minutes. You can serve this with is either noodles or rice. I'm a big noodle fan. My wife is rice. My wife is precious to me. She wins. Just gonna serve this up now. Lots of the Pak Choi, lots of the sauce. And here we have it. The Veggie Meatball Coconut Curry. Really hope you're enjoying this show. Be lots to hear about what you're doing with your veggie meatballs and your curries, but this is a fabulous new cookbook. This is the first recipe you've tried of this, so we're going to try different things. Lots of playlists with vegan and vegetarian dishes, so explore my library. Really hope you're enjoying the show. Don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy.